In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a text box in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever struggled with making adjustments to your PDF documents, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will take you through the process, making it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right into the first step. You'll want to start by opening the PDF document you wish to edit in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you've launched the program, simply navigate to the location of your file and double-click to open it. Having your document in front of you is crucial as it sets the stage for all the updates you'll be making. Next, move on to the All Tools tab, which is conveniently located at the upper left corner of your screen. This area contains a host of features that make Acrobat Pro DC so versatile. Once there, you'll need to select the Edit PDF option from the available tools. By selecting Edit PDF, you unlock the ability to modify your document in a myriad of ways, and it's imperative if you want to add text or make adjustments. After choosing Edit PDF, look toward the toolbar where you'll see the option to add text. Click on this to enable text input capabilities. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC makes it quite user-friendly by clearly labeling all the options. Now, to place your new text, click and drag your cursor on the PDF document to create a text box exactly where you need it. Think of it like placing a sticky note where you want to leave a message. It's that simple. Once your text box is in place, it's time to bring your words to life. Click inside this newly created text box and you can start typing away. This is your chance to input any necessary information, annotations, or notes you want to incorporate into your document. To ensure your text is as polished as the document itself, you'll want to use the formatting options available on the toolbar. Adobe provides tools to change font style, size, and color right at your fingertips. Whether you want to match the existing text or make yours stand out, these options give you the power to customize your PDF to your liking. Adjust these settings to your preferences or corporate branding, ensuring that everything is cohesive and professional. And there you have it. This easy to follow process will help you effectively add text to any PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Practice really makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps on a few documents to get comfortable. Soon enough, editing PDFs will be second nature to you. Thanks for watching and happy editing.